In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Moosend embedded form. We'll start inside your Moosend dashboard. Head to Growth Tools, then Subscription Forms. Find the form you want to work on and click its name. If you don't have one yet, create a new form and pick the type that suits your placement, like an inline form for embedding within a page. When you're ready, select Take me to the designer to open the form editor. The editor opens with a template library so you can choose a pre-built design or start from a blank canvas. Templates are a great way to move fast while keeping a professional look, but starting from scratch gives you full control. Either way, once you select your base, you'll be able to customize the layout, the fields, and the overall style to match your brand and the space on your page. Inside the editor, begin by arranging the form's items. You can add or remove text blocks, images, spacers, input fields, and the Submit button. Keep your content focused. Short, clear copy typically converts better. Reorder items by dragging them into place, and delete anything you don't need. For an embedded layout, aim for a compact structure that fits neatly within your content area. Next, fine-tune the form fields themselves. Choose which fields to include, such as email and name, and add any custom fields you track. Mark important fields as required, set others as hidden if you want to capture data without showing the field, and adjust placeholder text to guide users on what to enter. Use concise labels and make sure the button text clearly communicates the action, like subscribe or get updates. Under Behavior Settings, decide what happens when someone submits the form, show a success message or redirect to a thank you page, and confirm which mailing list new subscribers should be added to. With the structure in place, move on to styling. In General Settings or by selecting individual items, set your content width to match the space on your site. Customize border radius and border width and color for a clean, modern look. Choose a background color or add a lightweight background image if it fits your design. For typography, select Fonts, Standard, or Google Fonts, and adjust sizes, colors, spacing, and padding for legibility. Style the input fields and labels for clarity, and make sure the button stands out with sufficient contrast, thoughtful padding, and a clear hover state. Preview your form on different screen sizes to ensure it looks great everywhere. And that's how to customize a Moosend embedded form with confidence and consistency.